How to make another Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to make or create another Facebook account. So for that, first thing first, you'll need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and if you have not installed your application, then all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store or your respective app store, and on the search box you'll need to type in Facebook. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the button as installed. Tap on it and wait for the app to be installed. And if you've already installed the application, then you can simply go ahead and update it by tapping the update button. In my case, I've already updated as well as it's completely installed, so tap the open button and it's going to take you to this kind of interface. Here, as you can see, in my case, I already have a multiple account. But if you are new to Facebook, then it's going to show you a little different interface. So all you have to do is just tap the create new button, which is right at the bottom, and it's going to ask you to go ahead and list out all of the information. So click on get started. Now type in the first name and the last name and click the next button. On the other page, it's going to select your username. So if you're sure about it, then tap the next button and it's going to direct you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to provide in your date of birth for the age verification. Once done, click the set button and tap the next button. Now it's going to ask you the gender type, so select it accordingly and tap the next button. And it's going to ask you to provide in your contact details. For contact details, you can either provide in your phone number or your email address. You can either enter in either one of it and click the button. After that, click the next button. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to create a password as well. So create a strong password, and once done creating a password, tap the next button. After that, it's going to ask you to save your login info or not, then tap the save button. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully created your Facebook account or made your another Facebook account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.